The ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia has led to a variety of military innovations and adaptations. Among the latest additions is the Romanian CA-95 short-range air defense system, which has made its first verified appearance in the war. This system, based on the Soviet-era 9K-31 Strela 1 missile system, has been mounted on the Romanian TABC-79 Armored Personnel Carrier (APC) for enhanced mobility and protection. The CA-95 is specifically designed to target low-altitude threats such as enemy aircraft, helicopters, drones, and even cruise missiles. Despite its technological age, it remains a crucial asset in modern combat scenarios, providing air defense capabilities where newer, more advanced systems might not be available or practical. Its operational range includes vertical altitudes from 50 meters to 3,500 meters, and it can engage targets at distances from 800 meters to 4,200 meters horizontally. The CA-95 uses infrared-guided missiles that track targets using passive infrared and optical homing guidance systems. These missiles are a local variant of the Soviet 9M-31M missile and travel at speeds up to 310 meters per second when pursuing retreating targets, and 220 meters per second when chasing approaching threats. The system features a 4-launcher setup, with missiles mounted on each side of the turret, plus 2 spare missiles, offering robust offensive capacity. The TABC-79, which serves as the base for the CA-95 system, is an amphibious 4x4 armored personnel carrier that has been in service since the late 1970s. It is designed to transport a crew of 3 and up to 4 additional soldiers while providing protection against small arms fire and artillery shrapnel. With a top road speed of 80 km per hour and an operational range of 700 km, the TABC-79 is highly mobile, and its amphibious capabilities allow it to operate in water as well. Powered by a 154 horsepower engine, the vehicle can tackle a variety of terrains, making it a versatile platform for deploying the CA-95. Additionally, its fully welded steel hull ensures that the vehicle remains protected in the field, and its specialized equipment includes night vision devices, fire suppression systems, and NBC nuclear, biological, and chemical protection. Although no official confirmation from Romanian or Ukrainian authorities has been provided, reports from Ukrainian air defense units indicate that the CA-95 is already operational in Ukraine, with claims of successful engagements against Russian helicopters. The vehicle's discreet deployment, evidenced by the painted-over rondelle on the vehicle, suggests that the system was transferred with minimal publicity. The deployment of the CA-95 in Ukraine highlights its continued viability in countering aerial threats, despite being based on an older design. The system's ability to engage low-flying targets with a reliable and proven missile system ensures its relevance in contemporary warfare, especially in defense of key Ukrainian infrastructure. The deployment of the CA-95 is part of a broader trend of Romanian military support for Ukraine, which has included numerous aid packages. These include armored personnel carriers, artillery systems, and even air defense capabilities, alongside medical supplies and fuel. Romania's commitment to supporting Ukraine in the ongoing conflict has garnered international attention and has been acknowledged by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky during his visit to Romania in October 2023. As of now, Romania has provided Ukraine with military equipment and systems that significantly enhance its defensive capabilities. These contributions are particularly valuable given the challenging conditions of modern warfare, where air superiority can be a game-changer on the battlefield. The deployment of the Romanian CA-95 short-range air defense system in Ukraine marks a significant development in the ongoing conflict. Its combination of an older but reliable missile system, mounted on a versatile and protected APC, provides Ukrainian forces with a critical tool for countering aerial threats. Romania's continued military support further solidifies its role as a key ally in Ukraine's fight against Russian aggression, ensuring that essential defensive capabilities are available even in the most challenging environments.